When it comes to making charts in Excel, we usually pick specific groups of cells where our data lives. But there's another way, making charts without needing data stored in cells directly. This trick relies on something called array constants, which are just groups of values enclosed in curly brackets. In this video, we'll walk through this method with a basic example to show you how it works. For a visual demonstration, let's insert an empty chart on the sheet. After inserting the chart, right-click on it and choose Select Data option. Click Add button under Legend Entries Series. In the Edit Series dialog box, for series name, you can either enter a name or leave it blank. For series values, enter the array directly, for example 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We'll add 2 series. For the second series, add 6 random values, for example 20, 10, 25, 35, 20 and 50. You can also insert the axis labels using the array constants. Click the Edit button and in the axis label range insert the array constants, for example A, B, C, D, E, and F. By using this method, you can create any type of chart without having to store data in cells. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable Excel tutorials.